The Aesthetic and Cosmetic Dentistry course that we do is an 11-day course. It covers topics such as smile design. Smile design is really important in this day and age, with the demand for aesthetic dentistry growing more and more, patients demanding more dentistry and more beautiful aesthetics. Therefore, we've put this course together to satisfy those demands. So we start off with smile design, and we do 3 days of smile design. The mornings are theory, the afternoons are practical, and we cover such topics as photography, lab communications, diagnostic wax-up, digital and cosmetic imaging. Other topics we cover are veneer preparations, veneer cementation. Very important part of the veneer preparations is the correct cementation, and very often neglected and overlooked. We also look at digital smile design, digital dentistry. In addition to the smile design, we do facial aesthetics, and we have 2 days which includes Botox and the use of fillers to enhance the facial proportions and facial beauty, as well as your smile design. At the end of the aesthetic and cosmetic course, as long as you've completed all your assessments, then that can lead you to a PG certificate in aesthetic and cosmetic dentistry. And if you want to take that one further, it can lead you to a PG diploma, all level 7 accredited.